I'm laughing. Welcome back to Simply Delicious. Today I'm going to make a risotto and a fennel salad. Usually rice is a side dish, but in risotto it's the center of attraction and it's known for its creaminess. To offset the creaminess, we'll have a crisp fennel and orange salad and not the usual lettuce and tomato. I have a pot of stock boiling here with 8 cups of water and 2 cubes of vegetable or chicken stock. And I have a pan with the oil and butter going on medium heat. Let's add the onions now and the garlic. Give it a stir and let it sweat. Today I am using Arborio rice, which is a short grain starchy rice. You can use Sona Masuri or pony rice. This dish is not suitable for jasmine or basmati rice. It's time to add the saffron now, which will give the dish a nice brilliant color and flavor. A little bit goes a long way, so we just need a nice good pinch. The rice seems to be ready to add the wine. Use a good quality white wine which you would like to drink. Let's pour. While the wine is evaporating, let's prep the asparagus. We cut off the woody stems and then chop it fine and leave the heads for garnish. Time to add the asparagus. Now we'll add the stock a little at a time and then wait for it to be absorbed and then add some more. In the meantime, we stir the risotto in the figure of 8 to let the stock get absorbed. And then we add some more. While the risotto is cooking, we'll make the salad. For the salad, let's make the dressing. People are afraid to make dressing at home, but it's really simple. All you need is a base of vinegar, oil, salt, pepper. I like to make my salads in a glass jar. Today I have fig jam over here, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Close the jar, give it a good shake and your dressing is ready. Everyone is familiar with fennel seeds, but today I am going to use the fennel bulb, which has got a strong licorice flavor. To prep the bulb, we cut off the base and the fronds, which we keep aside for garnish later on. Then we cut the bulb into half and core it, and then thinly slice it across the grain so that it is not chewy or stringy. Put the fennel in a bowl, add the red onions and the dressing. Toss it and keep aside. Time to put the finishing touches to the risotto. The risotto seems done. It's time to add the cheese, a blob of butter, little salt and pepper, and then put the asparagus tips on top and cover it for at least 3 minutes. Turn off the gas and let's plate the salad. I'm going to taste the salad now. It tastes refreshing. Let's plate it in a bowl. It's already dressed. Top it with some orange or mandarin segments and some roasted pine nuts. Garnish it with the fennel fronds. And now back to the risotto. 3 minutes are done and this is the consistency you are looking for. Let's taste it. It's nice and creamy and this is the taste you are looking for. Let's plate it. And top with some fresh Parmesan cheese. And that's it, risotto is ready. Thanks for watching the video. I've put the recipe in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that when I put up my next video, you know about it right away. I would like to hear from you. And when you make the recipe, please send me a picture. Till next time, happy cooking!